May Day at Sweetbriar College was celebrated from 1907 until 1969. The May Queen is the fairest maid in the village, who receives admiration and homage of the revelers.
My faithful subjects in my May Day court, and you friends, all who have crowned and garlanded me with flowers to be your Queen of May. Thank you, and I ask your help that I may be a queen worthy to wear your robes and your crown. And you, blithe company, who are gathered at our court of May, I bid you welcome by virtue of my crown, my garland, and my May Day scepter, give you my royal command. Be merry, I pray you, and filled with gladness all my reign of this May Day.